The 83 was built in calibers all the way from the 500 down to including the 22 long rifle, 22 mag. In fact, this is the 22 long rifle with the 22 mag cylinder. This is the silhouette gun that wins virtually 100% in the world match, in the world metallic silhouette match. It normally takes, well, some years it's the only, Freedom Arms the only guns that are in the shoot-off.
Interesting.
Now, last year there was one Dan Wesson in the shoot-off in small bore, and there was one Ruger in the shoot-off in large bore. Now this is our large bore. They shoot that one in 44, 41, and 357 in the large bore class.
Thanks again for your time. We really appreciate it.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.